Penguins have wings, but they can't fly.
Oh, I see. Then what are some birds that can fly? What about this bird?
That's a pigeon.
Can pigeons fly?
Yes, they can.
Fly, pigeons, fly! Look! It's a chicken. Can chickens fly?
Chickens aren't good at flying. They usually walk or run.
Birds have wings. Birds fly.
Ducks are birds. Ducks have wings. Ducks fly. 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 Chickens are birds.
Chickens have wings? Do chickens fly? They're chasing the chickens. Chickens fly! Fly, fly, fly! Can you say that with the boy? Ready? Fly, fly, fly! Good job! But the chickens aren't flying.